right here at Marriott Kitchen, and we have with us Chef Udit Srivastav, and he is going to prepare for us Kadak Beda Kebab.
First, what we need to do is we need to boil the egg properly. It should be hard-boiled egg.
Okay.
Then you peel it and keep it aside.
Okay.
We take the mince meat so that there should not be any lumps, or it should be absolutely dry. There should not be any water in it. Now we'll add salt as per the seasoning. Red chili. If you need it spicy, you can add chili powder, a little bit of your turmeric to give it a color, chaat masala, toasted cumin powder that enhances the flavor of the meat, chopped coriander, a little bit of ginger. If you like ginger more, you can add more. Chopped green chili. As we all know, egg acts as a very good binding agent. You take out yolk slowly. And mix it a little bit.
So what is the white of the egg good for?
Very high in protein.
Okay.
Very high in protein, very good. Like you should at least eat 2 to 3 eggs white every day in the morning for breakfast, especially boiled egg.
Okay. Egg yolk is good for what?
Egg yolk has iron in it, so and it has again protein, but the percentage of protein is very high in egg white.
Okay.
So it's always preferable to have, and egg yolk has little cholesterol, so people have tried to avoid egg yolk.
Okay.
So that's good. Egg is ready for the coating. Need to be a little careful. Should be covered from all the side, covered from all the side.
Evenly spread out.
Yeah. Need to check, it should not be very thick or very thin.
Okay.
Otherwise, if it is too thick, it will be very bulky.
Okay.
And too thin, it will. We give it a little eggy shape if you want.
So the way you would make potato chop, same way you would.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same.
Same. Okay.
Now we need to add, we'll take a little bit of corn flour and we'll dust it in this so that it doesn't, when you fry it, it should not
Break. So the corn flour will keep it warm.
Yeah. Rava. Now you put on rava. It is not necessary that you add rava for the coating. You can add breadcrumb as well for the same. But generally, people in Goa like rava coated dishes, like rava fish and rava mushroom and everything. So I have done it with rava. We'll do the same thing with this. The other. Drying the water of the whatever water will be there in the mince, it will help it to dry and it will not come out. Then again same thing. little bit of egg white. Now the kebab is ready. We need to deep fry it for the finishing. We need to make sure that the oil is hot. Very slowly we need to stir it so that
Doesn't get burnt once.
yeah, you get crispy from all the sides and color. It's ready. It's absolutely crisp
Yeah.
and the color is golden brown. Perfect. Now it's ready. We're gonna cut it and do the plating.
Okay.
Final plating for the thing. You need to be little careful.
Okay.
It should not break.
Okay.
So that's your egg,
Okay.
lamb, and coating of rava on it.
Hmm.
Now what I've done it here is I've taken some egg yolk,
Okay.
okay, and I've added all 3 colors of bell peppers in it.
Okay.
Little bit of seasoning,
Hmm.
your green chili, coriander,
Okay.
everything, and I've mixed it well.
Okay.
Okay. What I'll do here is you need to make a small roundels ball out of it. Take little oil so that it becomes
Doesn't stuck to your hand.
yeah, become really smooth.
So now the inner filling.
Yeah, for the inner filling of
Okay.
egg.
Okay. So you're going to remove the yolk of the egg and
Yes,
okay.
we're gonna remove the egg and we'll put this so that it gives a better
Look, okay.
look as well as flavor to the dish.
Okay.
We'll get the egg.
Yeah. कैसा है? Bunny.
Now what I've done here is I've removed all the egg yolk from inside and now I'm gonna put
Okay.
this into it. Now the filling is done.
Okay.
Now we'll do the
Garnish.
plating and the garnish of it. Now the filling is done. Now we have to do the final garnish and the plating of the kebab.
Okay.
This is I've made mint chutney, the regular mint chutney. I've made it into a jelly.
Okay.
How you can do is you can take the regular mint chutney
Okay.
and you can add little gelatin in it.
Okay.
Or you get agar agar in the market. You can add agar agar and you can make a
Okay.
jelly out of it. Set it.
Okay.
For you need to set it in the fridge for at least 20-25 minutes
Okay.
and it becomes a jelly. For the garnish and
Okay.
coriander sprig. And what I've done here is I've taken peri peri dip, regular gold style peri peri dip, and again I've turned it into a jelly.
Okay. 25 minutes for it.
Same process and for 20 to 25 minutes in the fridge and it becomes a jelly.
Okay.
That's your Kadak Beda kebab ready to serve.